Welcome to qnawire.
We know that angles H and J are right. We have HG is parallel to JI, and I is the midpoint of GK. We want to prove the triangles are congruent. We know that right angles are congruent. That was already part of it, plus what was given. So we know in line 4 that the corresponding angles theorem was used. Well, if we have the parallel lines, then angle G would be congruent to, well, I guess if you can use the word bank, I'll highlight the angles. It's angle G and angle JIK, but you could also call G HGI. HGI and JIK. Another piece, the piece that was not given or is technically, yeah, another piece that is not given is that I is the midpoint of GK. I'm going to abbreviate midpoint. And what that would mean is that GI and KI are congruent. And that would be by the definition of midpoint. You're given that that I was the midpoint and there's congruent parts on each side. And so now what we have is we have a pair of angles that were corresponding and congruent. I'm going to do it in a color, highlight them. So we got the angles, and sides. So the triangles are congruent by angle, side based on this information. You could also use hypotenuse. Actually, no, you can't use hypotenuse leg based on what's given. So angle, side is the best.